Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to another webinar from A Place in the Sun.
The first thing the buyer needs to know is, what does he want?
Really kind of sell your house, and people are going to say, wait a minute, I want to stay on this house and I want to rent this house.
This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom townhouse.
Nearest bars are around about 2-minute walk away. So again, a fantastic location.
And we as presenters will meet our house hunters, Ginny and Ginny's sister.
Let's not go to Jasmine and put Jasmine on the spot.
There are some apartments there which are in a 9-storey block looking out over the sea.
Very bright, very spacious, and just amazing panoramic views.
It's really quite special, I think, for us to be part of something where you're making such a wonderful difference to people's lives.
Very nice red wine, delicious.
Right, well, your day's going well. It's just got better.